up guys, welcome to the channel Bullets Garage. I'm gonna make just a quick video because I just found this out right now, right at work after doing research. So my GoPro Hero 6, I had the GoPro adapter that magically stopped working. It wouldn't record with the microphone that I had connected to it. It didn't recognize that the microphone was in it. We couldn't figure out what it was. We did software updates on the GoPro, yada yada, you name it. The issue is you cannot plug in your GoPro adapter into your computer. It will fry it. Completely fry it, break the internals, whatever happens is broken. That's what I did once to transfer data from the GoPro to the computer, and it fried it, and ever since then it's broken. So for those of you that have a GoPro and using the microphone adapter, never plug it in with the cable to the computer, because that will destroy it. See you guys in the next video.